We've worked on a number of things over the years to make sure that we're doing our business right, and our business being right means looking after our consumers. Choosing the right company is really important because, invariably, a lot of people are living in the home during the renovation. And so you've got Australians in your home. You want to make sure you get the right experience. It's up to us to create that experience. The renovation will go on for at least 4 weeks and often longer depending on what you're doing and the scope of your works. It's worth taking the time to go through and have a good, clear list for yourself on how you identify the right company. It's price that comes into it, but it's also not everything. There are factors that you need to consider as well. You still need to make sure you're dealing with a good company, a reputable company, a company that will conduct themselves the right way. And that's our aim. We just want to do the right thing and look after our customers. There's nothing worse than you're sitting back waiting for a company to get back to you. And so we offer individual project management for your renovation. And that, I think, is really important. A good customer service attitude. It's up to us to look after you as a consumer, not the other way around. So when you deal with our company, you're the boss. The business belongs to my wife and I, and we are exceptionally fortunate that as we've grown, that ethos, that mindset has just grown throughout the whole company. Having skilled tradespeople is so important. We're really proud of our team and how they take care of our customers. As a consumer, a lot of people aren't professionals in renovating, and getting the advice for the best products, it's the most important thing to us as a business. Reviews are also important when you're trying to find a company who does the right thing. Read the reviews. Ring the company, ask for a couple of people to call. Whatever you need to do to be comfortable with the company that you're looking to choose. Having showrooms is also important. We've got 3 showrooms in our Essendon and our Nunawading showroom. We've got 9 kitchens and a full bathroom on display. Our Oakley one has 6 kitchens and a full bathroom. Really important to go and have a look, see the quality of the work done, see what you like. People want to assume that we use the best product, so we do. Australian-made board, the best drawers and drawer runners and the best hinges you can get. For our bathrooms, the best fixtures and fittings. One of the most important things is compliance. Registered builders, domestic builders contracts, domestic building insurance. That's really critical. And being compliant and doing things the right way. And we certainly aim to be best in practice. And there are some companies that you should be mindful of, and there are not everybody does it correctly in the right way. We want to be everybody's preferred company for kitchens, bathrooms and laundries and renovations. Over a long time, we've perfected what we do, or tried to continue to perfect what we do, and work hard at being a company that people would choose. There's a reason why you renovate. We aim to be functional. We want to make your space, whether it be your kitchen, bathroom or laundry, the best practical space, because they're really functional areas, and we want them to be beautiful.